So I opened the app we created previously in VS Code and save it. So here it is. And before I start creating components and these things, you might notice that I have two uncommitted changes. These are the packages that I installed in the last video. It looks like I forgot to commit them. So anyway, I want to go here in the tslint.json. I want to change the component selector and the directive selector to Iota. Okay, and if you go to angular.json, I want to change the prefix to Iota. So when we create a new component, it won't be named app dash the name. It will be named Iota dash name. You can pass this as an argument when you created the application using the CLI, but I forgot. So now our app component will be called app component, app root. It should be called Iota root, but I think I will just go to the app component and remove the boilerplate. Okay, now I will import Nes. Okay, so if you open the node module and go to Nes.css, inside it you will find these folders. I will include the CSS, the minified version. I like to add these inside the Angular.json. So it will be, since we are in the same level as the node module, let me just close it. We are on the same level. So /node modules Nes, I think Nes.css Nes.css.min.css. I think that's it. But this won't changes on Angular.json won't trigger the watcher to recompile and serve again. So I will do that manually. If I did that correctly, we should see the cursor looks like this cartoonish hand here. Now it looks normal. Yeah, just hopefully, yeah. Now, so we imported Nes.css correctly. Then the next thing is I want to import the bootstrap grid. So node duals bootstrap for grid. What next? So I'll go to the CSS grid.min.css. So I'll just recompile it. I think this is it for the Angular.json. I'll just close the node module now. And I will start creating components. So as you can see, the application divided into three sections. Each one of them uses are wrapped around the Nes container class. This one, even the toolbar. The toolbar is this one, as you can see. It's the same one. So I'll start by the toolbar since it's the simplest one. So ng generate component. And if you get when it will ask you about the name, if you give it a path, it will create the path. It will create the folders relative to the path. So components, I will name it toolbar. So yeah, it created the components folder to toolbar. And if you go to the toolbar component to TypeScript, you'll see the selector starts with Iota. Since we changed the prefix here, and the tslint does not compile since we changed the selector here. This error because my PC is really slow. Anyway, So the toolbar should look something like, I will start with a section. I will just copy paste from the Nes code. So I will copy this one. Yeah, I want this. And since we are using Bootstrap grid, I will add a row. I think since I want everything like pushed from the sides, so I will add a container, then a row. This row will be divided into two columns, one with one of size of 10. I will add a header inside of it, and the value of it will be Iota. The other one will be a column of 2. I think if we go now and check it, yeah, I need to add inside the app component. Good. If you wondered why I have autocomplete here, I have Angular Essentials, which just downloads a bunch of Angular extensions. I highly recommend this. Anyway, so yeah, we have a basic structure. So I will add the icons next. So Nes provides some icons. So there they are, and you can specify the size. So in the original one, I'm adding my personal accounts on LinkedIn and Medium, for example. Here I will add, or just add anything. You can do anything you like. I'll just add a hashtag, target blank to open a new browser page. I think I'll add a class with margin right 1, since I don't want them to be stacked, and we'll change the size to be small. So now we'll have Twitter icon here. I will just recreate these. Each time I'll add another icon. I did it the last time. So yeah, there is a space between them and they look nice. But I think you noticed that the font size here is different. So to apply a specific font size to each component inside the Nes framework, if you go to their GitHub pages, they show you how. If you scroll down here, you should apply the font family like this. So if you go to the styles, the global style, and we need to change this one. I have prettier enabled on save, so this is why everything gets formatted when I save. So a good font family which I found on Google Fonts is this one. Press start to play. I will put the link in the description. If you click select, copy the link, go to the index.html, add it in the head, and here how we should use it. So now, yeah, I think this is big. I will try to make it smaller. Not sure. I think that will be good. Yeah, that's 4. I think it's fine. I think I will try to. I think this is it for the toolbar, but I will end the video now. I'll make them short. The next one I will add the image container and and at least show us a basic a basic shape here. And if we manage to do that, then I will go to the controllers, so we can just basically change the shape whatever we want based on the containers. So this is the big milestone, to just create the image container which shows these shapes, and linking them with the controllers will be fairly easy, I think. So So okay, that's it.